In the dynamic and evolving world of textile production, commercial embroidery machines stand out as both a significant investment and a pivotal resource for those aiming to establish a profitable and efficient embroidery business. Unlike their counterparts designed for personal or semi-professional use, commercial embroidery machines are engineered to meet the higher demands of a business environment. This differentiation is evident in their build quality, performance capabilities, and the substantial revenue they can generate. Industrial-grade commercial embroidery machines are distinguished from domestic and semi-commercial variants by their robust construction. Manufacturers typically utilize all-metal components to ensure the highest level of durability and longevity, allowing these machines to withstand the rigors of continuous, heavy-duty operation. Their practical bulletproof design is a testament to their endurance and reliability. Consequently, a well-maintained commercial embroidery machine can retain functionality for decades, as seen in numerous cases of machines that remain in earnest operation even after 30 years of service. The built-in resilience of commercial embroidery machines is not their only advantage. Their capability for round-the-clock work sets them apart. These machines are constructed to run tirelessly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which necessitates a routine maintenance schedule. Maintainers and operators should adhere to an outlined maintenance regimen consisting of daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. These efforts ensure that each machine continues to operate smoothly and at its optimal performance level, ultimately avoiding unscheduled downtime that could affect business productivity. Owners and operators of commercial embroidery machines often cite their profitability as a primary reason for their popularity within the industry. Speed and efficiency are the cornerstones of their operation, allowing them to handle large orders swiftly and competently. An impressive feature of these machines is their generous maximum embroidery frame size, which can accommodate dimensions of at least 50 by 35 centimeters. This versatility is paramount for businesses taking on diverse embroidery projects, ranging from delicate personalization tasks to expansive, intricate designs. Adding to their efficiency is their remarkable speed. The average commercial embroidery machine can reach speeds of up to 1,200 stitches per minute. Such a rate of production means businesses can maintain a consistent and productive pace throughout the day. However, experts often suggest operating these machines at a slightly reduced speed of around 800 stitches per minute. This prudent practice aims to prevent potential complications and to extend the period between necessary services, ensuring the machine's long-term endurance. When entering the market for a commercial embroidery machine, prospective buyers will encounter a lineup of renowned manufacturers esteemed for their exceptional machinery tailored for commercial purposes. Among these are many industry giants including Barudan, Melco/Amaya, Ricoma, Tajima, Toyota, SWF, and ZSK. Each brand has gained recognition for delivering machines that can reliably endure commercial usage while offering varying unique features and benefits that distinguish them from competitors. Therefore, it becomes imperative for buyers to conduct thorough research and scrutinize the distinctive qualities of each brand prior to finalizing their purchase. One such reputable brand is Barudan, originating from Japan, which has carved a niche in the market for producing top-tier commercial embroidery machines. They have curated an extensive series of machines that cater to varying needs, from single-head options suitable for smaller jobs to advanced multi-head configurations capable of managing substantial orders with relative ease. Barudan's signature traits include their machines' remarkable speed, near-perfect precision, and consistent reliability. These machines have become a favored asset in businesses of various scales across the embroidery industry. In contrast to Barudan, Melco hails from the United States and is celebrated for crafting embroidery machines that range from home use to commercial-grade models. The commercial machines offered by Melco/Amaya are applauded for their high-speed operation and meticulous stitch precision, complemented by user-friendly software that enhances the overall embroidery process. Their portfolio includes machines adept at performing tasks that span from simplistic monogramming to the execution of complex multi-dimensional designs. Holding a distinct position in the embroidery machine market, Ricoma, a Chinese manufacturer, presents affordable commercial embroidery machines that find particular favor among small businesses and entrepreneurial startups. Ricoma machines are recognized for their simplicity in operation, cost-effectiveness, and the ability to seamlessly transition between basic embroidery applications to more intricate design work. This makes them an accessible option for upcoming businesses seeking to make an entry into the embroidery sector without a substantial upfront investment. Another Japanese powerhouse in the embroidery machine industry is Tajima. They produce elite commercial embroidery machines acclaimed for their unparalleled precision and integration of sophisticated features. These high-end machines are built for speed and are adaptable to handle a vast array of embroidery projects. Tajima's catalog boasts various models, from single-head machines designed for focused tasks to expansive multi-head setups that can facilitate the processing of large-scale orders with the utmost efficiency. A notable member of the embroidery machine market is Toyota, also rooted in Japan, which brings forth commercial embroidery machines renowned for their dependability and user-friendly operation. They have developed machines structured for rapid, high-speed embroidery, capable of taking on a broad selection of embroidery tasks. Toyota's selection ranges from single-head machines, appropriate for smaller endeavors, to multi-head options engineered for handling considerable order volumes, all while maintaining the brand's well-respected standards of quality and reliability. South Korean manufacturer SWF stands out with their sophisticated line of commercial embroidery machines, which are synonymous with fast, precise, and reliable performance. SWF machines are constructed to function at high velocities and are adaptable to a wide spectrum of embroidery projects. The company offers diverse machines, from single-head to multi-head options, each equipped with a range of features and capabilities designed to handle large orders effortlessly. Last, but certainly not least, is ZSK, a German manufacturer known for its precision-engineered commercial embroidery machines. These machines are celebrated for their exact stitch work and advanced feature sets. ZSK machines are constructed for high-paced operation while being versatile enough to accommodate a variety of embroidery projects. They offer a selection of machines, each with differing features and capabilities, from single-head models created for targeted tasks to multi-head forms capable of processing widespread orders with finesse. In addition, ZSK extends a suite of accessories and software solutions that augment the functionality and efficiency of their machines. While exploring options for a commercial embroidery machine, it is crucial to take account of several key considerations, such as the scale of your business operation, the particular types of embroidery projects you intend to undertake, and the available budget. For smaller businesses or those just inaugurating their presence in the embroidery field, a single-head machine may be the most appropriate choice. Alternatively, businesses with larger-scale operations or those juggling high-volume orders may find multi-head machines more suitable for their needs. Other non-negotiable factors to weigh in include the machine's stitching speed, precision, user-friendliness, and the frequency and type of maintenance it demands. To encapsulate, securing ownership of a commercial embroidery machine is an indispensable step for any business looking to gain a foothold or advance within the embroidery industry. These machines boast design principles focused on durability, reliability, and operational efficiency, allowing for the rapid and effortless processing of large orders. As the market offers a selection of manufacturers and models, due diligence in research and selection is essential to ensure the choice of a high-quality machine that aligns with the specific needs of your business. This strategic approach can safeguard the attainment of a machine that not only elevates your production capabilities, but also paves the way for years of lucrative utility. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.